She had the neons and she had, my bad. No.
And
Hey guys, I'm Kay Falcon and welcome back to my channel. So you guys may have noticed that I'm a little bit more excited than I usually am. No, it's not because of the Red Bull, although I am souped up on Red Bull. It's 11 o'clock at night, don't judge. But also because I'm excited. I'm excited because I'm about to embark on a new journey in terms of like my makeup that's are kind of uncharted waters for me. You guys might have remembered a few videos past, I was talking about trends, right? And one of the trends that were there that I sort of touched on in a previous of my other videos were the graphic liner. Previously, I only did something very basic with it, and I sort of want to revisit it again because I'm seeing a lot of cool designs come up. And you know what, when I saw these Anastasia Beverly Hills liners, the electric cake liners pop up, I was like, immediately, I need to get this, I need to get this, I need to get this, because not only were they so beautiful and vibrant in terms of what I was looking at anyway, it kind of gave me a light bulb moment, triggered something, you know what I mean? I'm a little bit scared. But do make sure you guys let me know what you guys think about the final look. I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I did Google some designs and I'm gonna be using that as kind of like a base as to what I want my final face to look. I kind of have a little bit of an idea, but I'm kind of sort of winging it. If you guys are interested to see what I finally came up with, be sure to stay tuned to the rest of this video. Before we get into the rest of this video, guys, I just want to take this time to remind you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe guys, help my channel grow. Really, I would really appreciate it. Like really appreciate this. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell that's right beside the subscribe button in order to get notified each time I make a post. I'll be doing a lot of fun things. I have a lot of fun things in store and I'm sure you guys will want to share my journey with me. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Do not forget to comment down below as well. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. I would really love to hear a different point of view. Don't forget to share my videos as well and follow me on all social media platforms. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Norvina launched 2 of these liners. She had the neons and she had the electric. So they come in kind of like a stackable containers. So you kind of just twist them out. So you twist that one out, you twist that one out, and then that one at the top opens and there's a little mirror right there. So that's what that one looks like. This is the neons. These are the neons. So it has a bright orange, a white, and a purple color. This is the electrics. So it has electric green, a yellow, and a pink. And of course the mirror, which I guess should help you somewhat in your application. Yeah, so this is what they both look like. Yeah, these are really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to create a look with these. So it's not gonna be such a tutorial because I haven't tried these before, so it's gonna be more like a demo. I'll be using some pictures that I got off of Google as a reference. I'll try my best to explain what I'm doing while I'm doing it, but don't count on it. So yeah, let's see what we can do to create a look out of these shadows, or rather paints, because that's what they are. Essentially they're paints, they're body paint. So these things are water activated. So I have my little container of water here that I'm just gonna be dipping my brush in and kind of like swirling it around. That way I don't like put too much water into these paints. I'm going to use this white color first. Size white, yes. I'm gonna like dip it in. You can see as I'm dipping it in, you can see that it's kind of turning very liquidy, right? trying to saturate my brush right here with that color so I can get a clean line, making sure that the brush is kind of straight. I'm gonna try applying it.
So right here, I'm basically creating a half-winged liner to about mid-eyelid with this white liner.
One thing I can say is that these things dry down pretty quickly. I think I'm now gonna dip it into this pink.
The pink liner in this instance will just be a transition shade, so I'll be just transitioning it between the white and the other color that I'll be adding after.
Using my best blending efforts to kind of blend those cool colors together. Now I'm gonna go into this purple right here to finish off the wing. What that double wing is kind of giving me, so I'm gonna clean up my brush and kind of do that again with the paint. So far the only colors that I haven't used are the yellow, the green, and the orange, so I'm gonna try to see if I can find something to do with that. So now I'm using my Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner to kind of create like a shape in my upper crease. Sorry guys, I may look a little bit ugly with this.
It's okay if your shape isn't as perfect as you would like, as we'll be filling that in later.
I was actually gonna fill that in black, but you know what? I'm gonna make use of some of these liners. So
my black liner wasn't fully dry by the time I applied the green liner, so it started to mix a bit. However, I was able to correct that when I went over with a second layer of green after it dried. You can always correct mistakes by using a damp cotton swab. This will also help you achieve your desired shape. I made small dots with the yellow liner and brought that down my nose.
Okay, I'm gonna do a lower wing as well with the orange. I think the watery you make it is the more the product kind of blends a little bit seamlessly, and it's more vibrant that way.
I started to make hornline shapes along my cheek using the Master Precise eyeliner, and I thickened around the corners and cleaned up as needed until I achieved the desired result. I filled in the spaces with black eyeshadow and went around the edges with brown to create shadow, smudging that out with my fingers. I went in with black eyeliner to my waterline and then proceeded to make a cat eye shape for my lower lash line.
Okay, so I'm done with the painting of my face. It's kind of looking a tad bit weird right now. So what I'm gonna do is gonna add a bit of lashes and put on a lip, and I'll be right back. So I am back. I have put on lashes. It was a little bit difficult to do, I'm not gonna lie. Lashes, usually I have the liner to hide the lash band, but I don't have it in this instance, so everything is out on red. Your girl can't apply eyelashes, but you know what, I'll learn. Anyway, I did that and I put on a lip. So this is the final look. I look like a piece of ancient artwork, I would say so myself, but like, you know what I mean, it's abstract art. But I actually don't mind it. Obviously I'm not gonna wear this look outside, not unless like I want somebody to be calling me crazy, but it's not too bad myself. And I'm very surprised by these liners. They are very vibrant. I've seen some people trying to test them out and they weren't as vibrant as they looked on other people. I'm guessing maybe because they never made the product watery. I find that the more watery the consistency is, the more vibrant the color will pop out. Whereas if it's a little bit more on the thicker side, then your color would be a little bit more muted. So that's one thing I found. I did find that there was a little bit of a cracking of the liner like once it dried, but that could just be me moving around. I'd have to test it on like my face area where I'm not really moving around so much, like probably not on camera when I'm like trying to explain something, even though I'm pretty sure I failed at that. But yes, what you guys think? This is my first time ever doing something kind of like this. It could have been a lot neater. I could say it could be a lot neater, but you know, this is the first time I've ever done something like this, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm happy I made it through with some sort of favorable results, and thank goodness for Q-tips because I made so many mistakes and I had to be going back and recorrecting with the Q-tip. Honey, it was just a mess. Like right now the glue's not fully dried, so I'm blinking. You can see me blinking and I'm trying to separate my eyelashes because it's trying to glue to the top lash and it's a little bit annoying. Oh, I hate lashes. They make you look so cute, but at the same time they're so difficult to apply. Like, I don't get it. Like, bruh, like, behave yourself. Jeez. Oh, anyway. No, I look like a demon. I look like a demon. But you know what? I actually don't mind it. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments down what you think about this look. Do you like it? Would you like to see more of this type of content? As I said before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video as well so I can get more subscribers, because more subscribers mean better content, guys. So help me help you, okay? And myself. Yeah, but help me help you, okay? As I said, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below, share my channel, and also follow me on all social media platforms, okay guys? Yeah, as I said, Twitter and Instagram are where I'm most active. I do have Facebook too, but I don't really care about that. I just have it sitting there. So Twitter and Instagram are where you'd find me most. Do follow me there, and yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, before I forget, also there's one thing I forgot to mention. When I was reading the comments about the liners, a lot of people were complaining that there was a very strong fishy smell. I don't know if maybe because I'm stuffy right now, but I don't really notice that strong of a scent, or maybe it's just I'm kind of used to chemically smells. I mean, if you put it up close, you kind of smell a little bit. Damn it, not COVID. But you kind of smell a bit of a stench, but honestly, it's paint, guys. It kind of smells like paint. It's paint. It's literally paint. That being said, till next time, guys. See you later.